Parents or teens, have you ever struggled to really fully understand a difficult topic? For teens, it might be physics. For parents, it might be something totally different. If you've ever struggled with something like that, you're going to want to watch this video. Now imagine you're studying a difficult concept like physics, but the textbook's explanation is really dense. It's hard to digest. Happens to me all the time. Instead of skipping over that section or feeling overwhelmed, here's how you can use a tool like ChatGPT effectively. Now first, you need to talk to your teachers or a trusted adult to make sure they're okay with this technique. Now for example, maybe you're confused about how the Doppler effect works. Consider copying a specific section from your textbook that you might find confusing. You can then paste that text into ChatGPT or any other AI tool that maybe your school approves of and ask, AI, can you explain this in simpler terms? Now make sure to specify any parts that are tricky to you or any specific questions you have. Sometimes I ask it, can you explain this topic in 5 to 10 bullets? Now the AI tool will then respond with a simplified explanation. If there's still a part of it you don't understand, you can ask it to simplify the explanation more until you understand that part of it clearly. We call that refining the answer. Then you can use this explanation to revise your notes and better study. Now don't just read the simplified version, try and engage with it. Compare it with your textbook to see how the concepts match up and where the gaps in your understanding are. The goal here is that you retain the information so you can do well on your own on a test, where you can explain it to your teacher in the future and really understand the concept. We're not asking it to do our work, we're asking it to deepen our understanding of complex material. For more insights on how to responsibly integrate this kind of tech into our studies, head on over to smartsocial.com. Let's use AI to enhance our learning, not to take shortcuts. Stay curious and stay smart.